We sell a variety of brands of refrigeration here at Mumma's. We sell GE, Maytag, Whirlpool, KitchenAid. In the GE lineup, we sell the Profile, the Cafe, and the Monogram. If you're looking for something small, all the way up to something humongous, we have it here at Mumma's, and we can help you pick something out that works the best for you. So if you're looking for whether it's your big, fancy refrigerator for the kitchen, or just something super basic for the garage or basement, come in and check us out here at Mumma's Appliances, and we can hook you up.